In this video, I'm going to teach you a very quick tutorial on how to enable or turn on the caps lock sound notification in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. So first is you need to navigate at the search box, and from here, please type for panel. Once you've typed it, wait until you would be able to see a best match here in this window before we continue. Once it's here, please navigate to the right side and click on Open to proceed. Once you have opened the control panel, you need to change the view first. So navigate to View By, click on the down arrow key and proceed to large icons. Once changed, you need to find for Ease of Access Center. In my case, it is being placed here at the fourth column next to Credential Manager. Now click on it. Once you click on it, you'd be able to explore all settings under the Ease of Access Center. Please scroll down, find for Make the keyboard easier to use. Click on it, and there you can see Turn on toggle keys. Please check the box here, and in that way, you'd be able to hear a tone when you press caps lock and other locks as well, such as num lock or scroll lock. Click on Apply, and then click on OK, and then close the window. Try to press lock, and in that way you'd be able to hear a tone the moment you will press it. Okay? Now if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.